In this lesson, I am going to show you the interface of how you can navigate through my course and how you can get most out of it. Okay. Some of the students, they are very new. They just take this course for the first time and they haven't taken any course on Udemy. So this is for them. If you already know the interface and everything else, and you know how to ask question answers and how to communicate with the instructor, then you can skip this lecture. Okay, now when you sign up to this course, the first thing you are going to see is recent instructor announcements and recent questions. You can also post your first question over here. In this area, there will be my announcements. Okay, so if I announce some educational announcements or my promotional announcements for other courses or coupon codes, you can find them here. Now coming to this course content. In the course content, you can see there are few sections. So if you click on any section, it can be expanded. And you can see over here are few sections. Also, you can see there are also few different types of lectures. You can see over here, this is video, this is a document. You can go to this article and see the links or documents attached to it. And also you can see this one is also a document. Then if we go down to this section 5, you can see over here, these are the attachments or resource files attached with these lectures. Okay, now if you want to download templates and PDF files containing all the links and samples of the helpful material and resources, you need to see these PDF files. Okay, so you can see over here, one is here, few others are over here like invoicing apps for freelancers, time tracking apps, collaboration apps. So these are all the links to different resources. Also links can be found in these document types. You can see over here like this one, examples of freelance portfolio and profiles. Okay, this is the question answer sections. You can search for the previous questions or you can ask a new one. Okay, you can also ask a question inside any lecture. While you are playing, you can see at the bottom, you will see different links to question and answers. This is the bookmarks. If you bookmark some lesson, it will be over here. Announcements will be over here. If you want to turn off daily QA digest or question answers or daily emails from this course, you can turn them off over here. Okay, now let's move to this lecture. So you can see over here resources available. So it has some attached resources. I'm going to turn the audio off. Okay, so here are the resources. If you want to go to browse question answers, you can go over here. You can also add bookmark at this current position or this lecture, so you know that you are watching this lecture. Also in the settings, I think you should go with this 1080p because these lectures were recorded in 1080p or high definition. If you want to skip forward 15 seconds or skip back 15 seconds, you can do that. If you think that I'm speaking very slow or very fast, you can control my speed over here, 0.75 or 1.25x, or you can increase my speed or slow me down. Okay, so this is all about how you are going to use a Udemy interface to browse through course and watch these courses.